What's going on, guys, and welcome once again to our channel Kool Adventures. Your Central Florida family happens to be here in California in front of the Disneyland Hotel simply because we're staying here for one night. So as part of our California trip, we want to give you guys the experience. You know, we wanted to share the experience with you guys about different hotels around California. Started with Universal, moved to Grand California, and now in Disneyland Hotel. We just want to be able to share our feedback of these hotels with you. So when you come here, you know what to expect, and hopefully we will be able to help you. So if you like this kind of content, you like theme park content and family adventures, I highly encourage you to stick around with us for a little while because we have a whole bunch of stuff to share with you. With that said, we also want you to consider
subscribing and smashing that like button.
If we're sharing any valuable content with you, family, are we ready?
Yes.
Awesome, because I am. So what are we waiting on?
So let's go. But wait, Mom, hit the intro.
Mom, hit it! Here we go, guys. Disneyland Hotel. We're about to cross that one from our bucket list. This one is located very close to downtown Disney as well as Disneyland. So we're excited to be here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna walk up through the main lobby and show you guys how everything looks inside the hotel. So that way you are not as lost as we were when we actually walked into this hotel. First thing first, the only reason why we got lost is because this hotel has multiple kind of exit, and we came from one of the exit backlash entrance, the one in front of downtown Disney. So we were like, okay, where do we go to the lobby from here? But if you go through the main entrance, know that the Bell Services is located here on the left hand side, and you get to see these amazing statues. Look at this, Mickey and Minnie statues. Also, at the time of recording, this hotel is going through some major refurbishment. Once you step inside the hotel, understand that over here you're going to be able to find the lobby. And trust me, here in the lobby they have comfortable seating. I like the fact, Khalil actually told me that you're able to sit inside a teacup, you see? That's pretty cool, all right? Also, on the left-hand side, you're gonna be able to find right before the lobby the small world gift and sundries. Basically, it's just nothing but snacks and candies. What I see, a little, yeah,
Knickknacks.
some ice cream in there as well. Now, Karen, Grand California reminds me a lot of Wilderness Lodge. This hotel specifically reminds me of Contemporary. It just gives me those feels. So, right? I'm actually digging this. Check out this interactive Disneyland map that you're able to find here at the main entrance. That's pretty cool. And this is where it shows you. Good call, Khalil. Right over here, this is where the Disneyland Hotel is located in comparison to the Disneyland Park. In the right side, you're gonna be able to find the Fantasia shop. Just a regular normal shop here in a hotel. So in this case, you're gonna be able at time of recording to find everything Halloween. So there's no need for you to make it to Disneyland or DCA without any, or downtown Disney without any Halloween attire. You're basically gonna be able to find the same thing as you will find at least in World of Disney. And obviously, you get to find all their accessories, Disney clothing that you will find obviously either on World of Disney or around the theme park, including lunch fly bags. Look at these Pirates of the Caribbean ears. Here in the main lobby, for what I'm being told, there's multiple towers and one in construction. So if I'm not mistaken, these are the elevators for this tower. Also want to take a moment to show you some piece of history of important people that stay here in this hotel. Look at this. Yeah. Right here also. Oh, it's in a lobby. Nice. Look at carrying a Abdul-Jabbar.
Take picture?
Oh yeah. Look at
Very
that. It's pretty cool. With this main tower behind us, apparently there's 3 towers, right?
Already.
1, 2, 3 towers, and the one that they're building. So it will be 4 towers. I think that's gonna be a DVC tower. But once you step out of the building towards the right, you're gonna find the convention center. That's the store, the Fantasia store, the Fantasia shop that we entered earlier. There's a coffee shop located over there, and right down there is Goofy Kitchen, which we actually ate breakfast, and we'll have a review on that by the time that we drop this video. And right in front of us, there's the pool, and there's some slide that looks back there like the monorail. Right over there, basically, what we've been told, the slides close at 6 o'clock. The actual pool closes at 9 o'clock. So right on top of that is the Tiki 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 bar right there. Very popular restaurant, so everything's very like centrally located.
It sounds like the contemporary vibe when you're inside, but the Polynesian vibe when you're outside.
That's true, right? But anyway, we're gonna give you a room tour. Once we get our room, it's about an hour more wait. But in the meantime, we want to show you basically how far you are from downtown Disney. So
It's a long walk.
don't believe Kevin, trust me. So this is the famous Fantasia hat that everybody sees. And usually you go walk straight, but they're constructing thing. But you see those tents over there? That's the main entrance to go to downtown Disney. That's how close you are. And our room 429 happens to be here at the Adventure Tower. Crazy enough, after almost walking into Disneyland, they told us, hey, your room is ready.
Yeah, as we were getting to the.
As we were getting Disneyland. Well, look at this.
Yeah.
Adventureland.
Why are the monkeys got guns? Why are the monkeys?
I don't know, monkeys go crazy in the Jungle Cruise. Yeah, look at that.
Oh, because they take the guns from them.
Yeah, it's pretty cool though, right? Planning a vacation can be very exciting, but also very stressful. Sometimes it's hard to plan when you don't have all the answers needed or you are not sure about what process to follow. Trust us when we say it can be very time consuming.
This is the reason why we encourage you to contact us and allow us the opportunity to be your travel agents. Kool Adventures is affiliated with PCO Travel, and our main goal is to help you plan your dream vacation so you can create the best memories of your life.
Whether you want to go to Disney for an after-hour event, to Walt Disney World, Disneyland, or even to a Disney cruise, we will be able to assist you planning every step of the way.
We are certified Disney travel agents, and our knowledge in the parks, restaurants, cruises, and hotels can definitely help with your planning. The best part is that will not cost you anything extra.
Just dare to have your next adventure. And for now, all you have to do is to fill out the questionnaire in the description below, and we will be contacting you right away to start planning your next amazing vacation. So we legit staying in front of Big Thunder Suite. And look at the door, boy.
Are you serious?
Dude, we just got upgraded, I think. Look at this.
I don't think we got upgraded.
I don't know. Wow.
We stayed in the wrong resort.
Wow. Look at these guys. This is insane. We just got upgraded.
Is there a pool view over there?
No, it's the new hotel, I think, that they're building.
Oh, maybe.
Wow, we just got upgraded. Look at this. So we have like a whole living room over here.
We're not leaving for the rest of the night.
Wow, yeah, I'm not going anywhere. I'm enjoying this room. Wow.
Oh, this is insane.
So is that a sofa bed over there or is just a, no,
No, I think it's a no.
it's a normal couch? Let's see, Karen.
Oh, no. Oh, it is.
It is a sofa bed.
So,
Wow, so check this out, guys. We have a refrigerator over here. Man, I wish we would have had this from the get-go for our D23 stay. Now, the only thing that I'm not enjoying is just like this construction site of downtown Disney.
that's okay.
But that's okay. You know, far from here, you can still see Disney California Adventure. You can see the Paradise Pier Hotel. And look at that.
We definitely
Dude,
got
this is
upgraded because
awesome.
the room that I got was a pool view. Definitely didn't get the pool view.
You didn't get the pool view, but they're like,
got
oh,
the
we're gonna send them to the top floor into.
Look at the mountains. Oh my god, guys.
I think there's 2 bathrooms because
There's 2 bathrooms.
Wow, this is insane.
Look at the size of the bathroom.
So
I would have known this earlier. We would have come back earlier.
I know. We've been in the park so this time, guys. So we're like, oh yeah, we'll go later. But look at this. You have a total of like 6 drawers. All right. Let me show you the rooms now.
Look at that. It's a whole nother room here.
I'm sorry I said rooms, but it's a room. They have 2 queen size bed.
Yeah.
Dude, this is awesome.
When you're fast asleep.
A dream is a wish your heart makes
When you're fast asleep.
when you're fast asleep. That's awesome. Look at this pic.
Beautiful.
This is a picture with Walt walking out of the castle.
That has to be the castle here. It's too
Right,
little.
right. This is awesome. Look at this. Then you have a desk over here, 6 more drawers, another TV. You have plugs in there. You have USB, like I think it's 2 USB connectors over there and 2 USB-C connectors in there. So that's awesome. Little chair in there. Wow. Guys, I wouldn't expect this. This is insane. So right over here we got a little closet. And over here there's another closet.
There's 2 closets, 2 extra pillow and blankets.
Nice. Alright, and then this is the bathroom.
Look at the.
Everybody say with me. Khalil's throne. He's already using the other one.
Look at these. Look how pretty.
That's pretty.
I want this in my house.
Right? That's pretty. Now the only thing I think they could have done better was this is just a regular bathtub.
What was it?
But it doesn't seem as elegant as the room
And
does.
the rest of the room. Yeah.
It does look like
But look at this. It's a Mickey shape.
still cool though, don't get me wrong. But I'm just comparing it with the room, you know what I mean? I was expecting something like the one that we had in the Grand California, where you walk up to that shower.
That really pretty, yeah.
That should have, in my opinion, should have been there.
Right.
Maybe it is.
Then in the other bathroom, if it's a full bathroom, then this should have been in the other bathroom. That's just my opinion. That you're in Khalil's throne.
Khalil's sitting in his own throne.
Khalil discovered his other throne.
Yeah.
Another closet with a safe in here. It's pretty cool. That will be another bathroom, and I think this is just the door. This is the other door that goes to the other room. Dude, this is awesome.
This is amazing. This is a beautiful suite.
Comment down below, guys, if you're in love with this room as much as we are. Don't even ask me about the price. I mean, because we got
We
upgraded.
definitely didn't pay for this room.
Yeah.
We paid for a regular room.
And yeah, please don't think that we're high roller. Like, we roll like that. No.
We paid for a regular room with my discount.
A discounted room, by the way. A discounted room, not something at regular price. So please do not think
Yeah, no, this is not.
that, oh my God, these people are high roller. Nope. No, ma'am. No, sir. But
I see the Cuban food truck.
oh yeah, there's a Cuban.
That might be dinner for tonight.
There's a Cuban food truck over there, parked out down there. I don't know if you guys can see it from the distance, but for what we could see on the menu, it looks delicious.
Look, that's Star Wars line, right?
Yeah, the Star Wars Outpost
No, yeah.
is over here. Oh, Galaxy's Edge.
Galaxy's
Galaxy's Edge, yeah, that right there is Galaxy's Edge. And then you got the Matterhorn right there that is currently closed at this moment.
What's it?
You got Garden of the Galaxies over there.
Cars Land?
I almost says Guardian of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind. Dude, I'm so into Florida still. You got the Incredicoaster over there. You can see Cars Land from here.
Yeah. Imagine this, I want to see this at night.
Dude, this is awesome. This is pretty good, Karen. You know what, guys? Smash that like button if you haven't done so.
I love my phone.
Smash that like button. So where Khalil was, it's a half bathroom. See, I thought that it was a full bathroom, but yeah, they have another sink over here. And Khalil's throne, he already took care of business. I told you, when we say Khalil's throne, some of you may be thinking that we're joking, but we're not. We're not. This guy can eat, and this guy can release. Your next shirt will be eat and release. Pretty much. But anyways, pretty cool, guys. Obviously, we showed you already the hotel for the most part. What we're gonna do now is that, well, the kids are gonna go
We're rushing to go to the pool.
To the
because
pool.
The slide closes at 6.
I don't know. I'm not gonna take the camera over there because I don't know who. You know, I hate filming in pools because it violates people's privacy. But I'll let the kids tell you about the pool, and then tomorrow when we wake up, we'll tell you how it go. You know, was it comfortable? Did we enjoy it? So, anyway, thank you. I guess Disneyland Hotel.
Thank you for the front desk lady.
I know.
She I'm sorry. Maybe she upgraded us. So
I know. Awesome.
Hola, we back.
Alrighty, guys, so there you have it here from the Disneyland Hotel here in California. Unfortunately, our fun trip is over.
I'm gonna say that.
I know, today we gotta go. But before we close out this video, how was the room, guys?
Really, really good. The bed was super comfortable.
Okay?
My sofa bed was comfortable, and it was really, really good.
it was nice. I want to stay here.
I know, right? So thank you to that cast member who actually did a magic moment because it meant the world to us.
Yes.
I mean, look right behind us.
How do we finish?
Look at that view. I mean, we could literally see Grand California. We see downtown Disney from here, the parks. At nighttime, it looked amazing. And they're right. The beds were super, super comfortable. So, sadly, this has made it to the end. So now we gotta go back home. But anyways, guys, sadly, this adventure has ended. But with that said, we gotta remind everybody to
Subscribe.
And smash that like button, turn that bell notifications.
Bing, bing, bing. And feel free to comment down below as number 2.
smile out, be great.
Be cool.
And stay awesome, guys. Adventure.
Bye, guys.
Boom.
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 See ya.
Bye.